Yo YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again. Box number 2, 2008 Donruss Gridiron Gear Football. First box was pretty solid. Nothing huge, but nothing... overall the box was good. So, nice rookie auto, nice dual patch, and a nice jersey card. So, we'll see what we could get in this box. Good luck, and let's break this shit. Box 2. We got numbered out of 250 for the Broncos. Jay Cutler insert. Or parallel, really. And next pack is all base. This will be our first hit. And it's a nice looking patch for the Titans. Lendale White, 3-color. This one's numbered 26 out of 50. Missed his jersey number by 3 now. And there's actually the Jay Cutler parallel. So there's our patch. I hope we get a sick auto. Just saying. Ben Dicklisberger at a 250 for the Steelers. Gotta do it every time. It doesn't get old, Roogs. All base there. We got a rookie of Xavier Adibi for the Texans at a $9.99. And for the Patriots, this one is numbered at a 250. We got a jersey of Tom Brady. So Patriots doing pretty well. Randy Moss jersey in the first box. And second box we hit that. For the Steelers, Bill Dudley at a 250 insert. Yeah, I know. Trevor, I just saw that. Get ready for revenge now from the Dodgers side. I might be featured is why that's happening. Usually when you're featured on the main page, you get a bunch of spammers coming in. For the Browns, a Paul Warfield insert at a 500. Numbered at a 500 insert for the Vikings of John David Booty. And that card was upside down for some reason. So, still, excuse me, only one hit so far. Looking for 2 more. Some of these cards are like backwards. It's weird. Craig Steltz for the Bears, rookie out of $9.99. And all base. So what we got? 2, 3, 4, 5 packs left. Yeah, I agree. Sick cards. And sick card for the Raiders. Check that out. For the Raiders. Patch Football patch autograph numbered at a 50 of Darren McFadden. You got a 3-color patch. Football part of the F on NFL and a black patch autograph. Nasty. You got the F on NFL. So really nice hit there. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. I think that was actually all our hits. I think we hit... Didn't we hit that patch earlier also? We hit the patch. We hit the jersey. Yeah. Numbered out of 100, Donovan McNabb for the Eagles. Yep, I'll show it in 1 second. For the Chiefs, a Fred Williamson out of 25, low numbered. And final pack will be a rookie of Calais Campbell for the Cardinals out of 9.99. So we'll be back. Nice box. Darren McFadden patch, football patch autograph out of 50. GSN Cards is out.